Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the Lenovo monitor stuck in power saving mode. No signal and wake display fix. Fix 1. Check the monitor power. Make sure the monitor power LED is on. So unplug the monitor from the wall for about 30 to 60 seconds and plug it back in and turn it on. The fix 2. Reset the HDMI display port cable. So turn off the PC and monitor and disconnect the video cable from the both ends and plug it firmly back in. If possible, try a different HDMI or DisplayPort cable. Lenovo especially recommends trying another cable or monitor to isolate the problem. Fix 3. Select the correct input. Using the monitor button or menu, you can open the input and source. Now select HDMI DisplayPort or other or the ports you are actually using. So don't leave it on a different input. The fix 4. Try another video port. If your PC has multiple HDMI DisplayPort outputs, move the cable to another port. Next, desktop with a dedicated graphics card. So connect the monitor to the graphics card video output rather than the motherboard video output. The fix 5. Wake reset the Windows display driver. If Windows is running but the monitor is black, press Windows plus Control Shift plus B. You may hear a beep and see the screen briefly flash. This reset the graphics driver. The fix 6. Test the monitor with another computer. So connect the Lenovo monitor to another laptop or PC and works on another computer. Then troubleshoot the original PC, graphics card driver or output port. It still shows power saving mode. Focus on the monitor cable or monitor input. Next, the fix 7. Update or reinstall the graphics driver. So if you can get the computer working with another display, you can open device manager and expand display adapter. Now update the graphics driver, restart the computer. The fix 8. If connected through a dock. If your Lenovo monitor is connected through a USB-C Thunderbolt dock, temporarily connect it directly to the computer. Lenovo dock troubleshooting recommends checking display detection and power cycling the monitor when displaying output does not return after sleep. Goodbye, thanks for watching.